Here is how to assemble your Wave Neo. Wave Neo comes with a weighted stand, an extension riser, and a paper envelope with 2 screws. Take the screw with the slotted head and pass it through the bottom of the weighted base. Next, on the extension riser, make note of both sides. One side is flat with an inset notch. The other has a raised pin. Place the flat side against the stand base. Begin to screw the base into the extension riser. Make note of the keying on both the base and the riser, and make sure to align them. When they get closer, rotate the extension riser until they align, and the riser will sit completely flush. If your riser is tilted, then you will need to readjust it. You can finish tightening the screw with a flat screwdriver or a coin. Next, take the second included screw and insert it into the bottom of Wave Neo, screwing it in until it's tight. This screw needs to be inserted into Wave Neo's holder first. Then, insert Wave Neo into the top of the extension riser. Just like with the weighted base, make note of the notch and the raised pin to align Wave Neo. When properly inserted, there will be almost no gap. With everything properly assembled, Wave Neo will face the Elgato logo at the front of the base, with the mount being offset to the left, with the cable channel behind the microphone keeping your cables out of the way. Now you're ready to position Wave Neo, connect to your computer, and get to talking.